Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101, and today we are planning in my wellness planner, which is the Wild Styled Classic Size Happy Planner, and it is for the week of March 22nd through 28th. This is the Classic Size Happy Planner, and I'm going to be continuing using the Year to Shine sticker book. I have made all of my previous spreads this month with the same book, and I would like to continue doing that, so here we go. I am picking a few stickers, and while I do that, I wanted to say thank you to all of my subscribers. So if you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. And if this is your first time visiting, welcome. I am so happy that you found me and my channel, and I hope you like it here. Don't forget to check out my giveaway, and the giveaway closes on April 1st, 2021. Okay, so this book is obviously loved and used, and there's still lots of stickers left in it. So I'm going to go ahead and start with adding a little space for a journal. So here we go. It's gonna say plans, and I can just write a few things in there. And I think I'm going to go with this navy blue and peach together and see what that looks like. I'm not sure if that's gonna go together, but let's go for it and see what it turns out like. Usually their books have pretty good color schemes and you should be able to use them together, so that's kind of where I'm coming with this. And I do have a second copy of a book just in case I need any sticker, because this is running out, and it is one of my favorite books. Okay, here we go. I am lifting up. I think maybe the peach should go on top because it's less overwhelming. And let's see. Yeah. Rise and shine. Plan your dreams. This looks like stepping stones. So I'm gonna fix it really quickly. And of course, my undo to the rescue because, oh, why not, right? I want to add this floral underneath. I think it is so gorgeous. But I do need the undo to dry for it not to be coming up. Okay, there we go. So let me go ahead and place that so it doesn't cover up the whole flower. These florals are really beautiful, and I know that you guys don't get the full effect of it because it's foiled, but they are really gorgeous. So if you have that book and you want to plan with it, take a look at these flowers, because wow, definitely a wow. Okay, here we go. I think that looks better than the stepping stones. For sure. I think it gives me a bit more usage of space, and it doesn't look kind of awkward. I do like clusters, but I have a rhyme and reason to do them in a certain way. Okay, let's take a look about lifting that one. Look how effortless that is. I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna add this really beautiful cloud. I call them clouds, but I'm not sure what they truly are called, but maybe just like a color swatch, but that's what I call them. And then let's take a look at all the other stuff because I really think it is time to do it. Okay, let's see. Here we go. Okay, so I'm just pulling some of these flowers and I'm going to be adding them underneath the backs. I like them sticking out like so. I think it looks a little bit different, and I want to add this beautiful peach. She's a dreamer, and let's see what else. I definitely need lines, so I'm gonna be using the checklist because I do track my meals here. So I do track breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a snack, and my medication here. So I think that's super important. I really want that circle for some reason, but I don't think that's going to work, especially with boxy stickers like these, because most of them have straight edges, and once in a while it's not bad to combine all of the shapes and sizes, but most of the time I kind of stick with similar shapes and similar angles because they just look good together. So I'm just gonna add that big box because it already has a corner cutout and it's kind of perfect, right? It just fits right in there. And then I'm gonna add Sunday Funday. And again, I don't mind layering stickers on top of each other. That's not a big deal to me. I am going to use those headers right now. So I can put today, focus today. There we go. And then add that blue right in the corner. And here we go. It's time for the checklist. So I do 5 lines every single day. And I think I am done with this spread. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions of books that I should be using all month in this planner for the future months. I am always excited to hear your suggestions, and we will go from there. I loved using this book, and this month and February was the Homebody, and January was Modern Farmhouse, which is my all-time favorite sticker book from Happy Planner, and right now it's pretty much on the same level as the Sophisticated Florals. There's just something about neutrals that is so attractive to me in planners, so that's what I'm drawn to, and I think this is slowly becoming more and more of my style. I truly hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Thank you and have a great week. Bye!